Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Simply Earth, which is an essential oil recipe box. And they always put these cute little stickers on here showing you who packaged the box, and I gotta show you this month. It's so adorable. So I don't know if you can tell, but they're dressed up as the Toy Story characters, and I think that's hilarious. So let's take a look at what's inside. This is the box for September. I'm going to dig out the recipes and the stickers first. So you get a sheet of stickers so you can label your essential oils and all your products. Looks like there's some good stuff on there. And then here are all the recipe cards. So the first one is a DIY fall scented pine cones. So it says you go on an adventure and collect some pine cones first, or you can get them from a craft store. And clean them and then soak them. But that would smell really good. And that recipe is a little bit longer, so it's continued on the back. Then we have Sweet Dreams Floral Candle. That has an essential oil blend, which I will look at that here soon, see what all is included in that. But that recipe also is continued on the back of that card. Then we have a citrus wax satchel. So use a double boiler to melt some beeswax, pour it into the mold. Pretty cool. On the back of that card talks about the September 2021 recipe box. The theme is candle making, and it shows all of the essential oils. It tells you if they're safe for pets and kids and pregnancy and all sorts of stuff. Ooh, an ice cream candle. That sounds fun. Sorry, that one also continued on the back. Then we have Sweet Memories Roll-On. On the back of that one, it talks about that they donate 13% of proceeds, and it always goes to a human trafficking charity. And this month, I can't pronounce that. I don't want to butcher it, but it's right there. But yeah, they switch them out every month. The last recipe is an Autumn Days diffuser blend. And then on the back of that card, a note from Katie. So let's take a look at all the goodies. They sent some soy wax for the candles. And then this is the little mold, the silicone mold. Very cool. And then we have 2 wicks, very long ones. Then any kind of like carrier oils or anything else you might need, little containers, that comes in the big bonus box. You get it twice a year. I actually just unboxed mine last month, so you could check that out if you want to see what came in that. But the first essential oil we have is cinnamon. So excited for all the fall scents. Blood orange. And here's the Sweet Dreams, which is a blend. Let's see what that includes. That one has marjoram, I can't pronounce that, lavender, cedarwood, and German chamomile, and frankincense. So that's got some good smelling stuff in it. Then this is the coffee one. The coffee one I've had before. It's always a goodie. So yeah, that's what we got. And it does have some additional information on the back, like the origin and the aromas and all sorts of stuff on there. So that is what I got in the September box. If you guys are interested, make sure you order it at least before the 20th, because they do start selling out pretty quickly. So I will have all the information below. There's a link in my description that you can get a gift card with the promo code. So make sure you check it out if you're interested. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.